कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीनबंधु जगत्पते
दीनबंधु जगत्पते
गोपेश गोपिका कांता
गोपिका कांता
राधा कांता नमस्तुते
राधा कांत नमोस्तुते
प्राप्त कांचन गौरांगी
तप्त कांचन गौरांगी
राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी
राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी
ऋषभानुसुते देवी
वृषभानुसुते देवी
प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये
प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये
अथात्मनो अर्थभूतस्य
आत्मनोऽर्थभूतस्य
यतो यतो अनर्था परम्परा
यतो अनर्था परम्परा
अनर्था परम्परा
यतो अनर्था परम्परा
संस्मृति तस्य व्यवच्छेदो
व्यवच्छेदो
संस्मृतिस्तत् व्यवच्छेदो
छेदो
भक्त्या भक्त्या परमया गुरौ
परमया
अथात्मनो अर्थभूतस्य यतो अनर्थ परम्परा
परम्परा
संस्मृतिस्तत् व्यवच्छेदो संस्मृतिस्तस्य व्यवच्छेदो संस्मृतिस्तद् व्यवच्छेदो भक्त्या परमया गुरौ अथात्मनो अर्थभूतस्य यतो अनर्थ परम्परा संस्मृतिस्तद् व्यवच्छेदो भक्त्या परमया गुरौ
अथात्मनो अर्थभूतस्य यतो अनर्थ परम्परा संस्कृतिस्तद्व्यवच्छेदो भक्त्या परमया गुरौ अथात्मनो अर्थभूतस्य यतो अनर्थ परम्परा संस्कृतिस्तद्व्यवच्छेदो भक्त्या परमया गुरौ.
Yes, online anybody wants to chat.
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु कृष्ण अथात्मनोऽर्थभूतस्य यतो अनर्थ परम्परा संस्कृतिस्तद्विवाच्छेदो भक्तया परमया गुरु.
हरे कृष्णा प्रभु जी. अथात्मनो अर्थभूतस्य यतो अनर्थो परम्परा संस्कृतिस्त्वद्वयवच्छेदो भक्ता परमया गुरौ. हरे
कृष्ण प्रभु जी. अथात्मनो अर्थभूतस्य यतो अनर्था परम्परा संस्कृतिस्तद्व्यवच्छेदो भक्त्या परमया गुरु.
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी. अथात्मनोऽर्थभूतस्य यतोऽनर्थ परम्परा संस्कृतिस्तस्य वच्छेदो भक्त्या परमया गुरु. थैंक यू प्रभु.
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी. अथात्मनो अर्थभूतस्य यतो अनर्थ परम्परा संस्कृतिस्तद्वयवच्छेदो भक्त्या परमया गुरु. हरे कृष्ण.
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी. अथात्मनो अर्थभूतस्य यतो अनर्थ परम्परा संस्कृतिस्तद्व्यवच्छेदो भक्त्या परमया गुरौ. हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी.
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी. आत्मनो बोधस्य यतो अनर्थ परम्परा संस्कृतिस्तद्व्यवच्छेदो भक्ताय परमय गुरु. हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी.
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी. अथात्मनो अर्थभूतस्य यतो अनर्थ परम्परा संस्कृतिस्तद्व्यवच्छेदो भक्त्या परमया गुरु.
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी. अथात्मनो अर्थभूतस्य यतो अनर्थ परम्परा संश्रुतिस्तद्वयवच्छेदो भक्त्या परमया गुरोः।
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी। अथात्मनो अर्थभूतस्य यतो अनर्थ परंपरा संश्रुतिस्तद्वयवच्छेदो भक्त्या परमया गुरो।
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी, दंडवत प्रणाम। अथ आत्मन अर्थभूतस्य यथ अनर्थ परंपरा संस्कृति तद्विवच्छेद भक्त्या परमया गुरोः।
Okay, done. वासुदेवे भगवती भक्ति योगा समाहितः सुदीचीनेन वैराग्यम् ज्ञानं च जनयिष्यति। अतः therefore आत्मनः of the living entity arthabhutasya having his real interest yataha from which anartha of all unwanted things parampara a series one after another samspritihi material existence tat of that vyavachedaha stopping bhaktya by devotion service paramaya unalloyed gurau unto the Supreme Lord or his representative Vasudeve, Vasudeva, Bhagavati, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Bhakti Yogaha, devotional service, Samahitaha, applied, Sudrichinena, completely, Vairagyam, detachment, Jnanam, full knowledge, Cha, and Janayashyati, will cause to manifest. The real interest of the living entity is to get out of the nuisance that causes them to endure repeated birth and death. The only remedy is to surrender unto the Supreme Personality of Godhead through his representative. Unless one render devotion service unto the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Vasudeva, one cannot possibly become completely detached from material world, nor can he possibly manifest real knowledge. The real interest of the living entity is to get out of the nuisance that causes them to endure repeated birth and death. The only remedy is to surrender unto the Supreme Personality Godhead through his representative. Unless you render devotion service unto the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Vasudeva, one cannot possibly become completely detached from the material world, nor can he possibly manifest real knowledge.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji. Purport by His Divine Grace, A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada ki jai. This is a way to become detached from the artificial material condition. The only remedy is to take to Krishna consciousness and constantly engage in the devotional service of Lord Vasudeva, the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Everyone is trying to be happy, and the process adopted to achieve that happiness is called self-interest. Unfortunately, the conditioned soul hovering within this material world does not know that his ultimate goal of self-interest is Vasudeva. Samskriti, or material existence, begins with the illusioned bodily conception of life, and on the basis of this conception, there ensues a series of unwanted things, anarthas. These unwanted things are actually mental desires for various types of sense gratification. In this way, one accepts different types of bodies within this material world. One first has to control the mind so that the desires of the mind can be purified. This process is described in the Narada Pancharatra as Sarvobhadi Vinirmuktam Tat Paratvena Nirmalam. Unless one purifies his mind, there is no question of getting free from the material condition. As stated in Srimad Bhagavatam 1.7.6, Anartopashamam sakshat bhakti yogam adhokshaje lokasya janato vidvams chakre satvata samhitam. The material miseries of the living entity, which are superfluous to him, can be directly mitigated by the linking process of devotional service. But the mass of people do not know this, and therefore the learned Vyasadeva compiled this Vedic literature, which is in relationship to the Supreme Truth. anarthas, unwanted things, come down from one bodily life to another. To get out of his entanglement, one has to take to the devotional service of Lord Vasudeva, Krishna, the Supreme Personality of Godhead. The word Guru is significant in this connection. The word Guru may be translated as heavy or the supreme. In other words, the Guru is a spiritual master. Srila Rishabhadeva advised his son, Guru na sasya namochayetya samupeta mrutyam. One should not take up the post of spiritual master unless he is able to lead his disciple from the cycle of birth and death. Srimad Bhagavatam 5.5.18. Material existence is actually a chain of action and reaction brought about by different types of fruitive activities. This is a cause of birth and death. One can stop this process only by engaging oneself in the service of Lord Vasudeva. Bhakti. Bhakti refers to those activities performed in the service of Lord Vasudeva. Because Lord Vasudeva is the supreme, one should engage oneself in his service, not in the service of the demigods. Devotional service begins from the neophyte stage, the stage of observing the rules and regulations, and extends to the point of spontaneous loving service to the Lord. The purpose of all stages is to satisfy Lord Vasudeva. When one is perfectly advanced in the devotional service of Vasudeva, one becomes completely detached from the service of the body, that is, his designated position in material existence. After becoming so detached, one becomes actually perfect in knowledge and engages perfectly in the service of Lord Vasudeva. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says, Jivera Swarupa Hoy Krishnera Nityadas. Every living entity is by constitutional position an eternal servant of Krishna. As soon as one engages in the service of Lord Vasudeva, he attains his normal constitutional position. This position is called the liberated stage. Muktir hitvant yatharupam swarupena vyavastitihi. In the liberated stage, one is situated in his original Krishna conscious position. He gives up all engagements in the service of the matter. Engagements concocted under the names of social service, national service, community service, dog service, automobile service, and so many other services conducted under the inclusion of I and mine. As explained in the second chapter of the first canto, Vasudeve Bhagavati Bhakti Yoga Prayojitaha Janatyasyash Vairagyam Gnanam Cha Yad Ahaitukam. By rendering devotional service unto the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Sri Krishna, one immediately acquires causeless knowledge and detachment from the world. Srimad Bhagavatam 1.2.7. Thus, one must engage in the service of Lord Vasudeva without material desire, mental speculation, or fruitive activity. Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Sochiradev Rajashe Syadachyuta Katashaya Shanavata Shaddadhanasya Nityada Syadadeshata Adiyataha. The best of the king, one who is faithful, who is always hearing the glories of the Supreme Personality Godhead, who is always engaged in culture of the Krishna consciousness and in hearing of the Lord's activities, very soon become eligible to see the Supreme Personality Godhead face to face.
Purport. Constant engagement in the transcendental loving service of Vasudeva means constantly hearing the glories of the Lord. The principles of Bhakti Yoga, Shravanam, Kirtanam, Vishnu Smaranam, Pada Sevanam, Archanam, Vandanam, Dasyam, Sakyam, Atma Nivedanam are the only means by which perfection can be attained. Simply by hearing the glories of the Lord, one is elevated to the transcendental position. Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Om Jnanatimirandasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Chakshurmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Namo Vishnupadaya Krishna Prishnaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swaminiti Namine. Namaste Saraswate Deve Gaudamani Pracharine Nirvisheshaya Shunyavadi Bhashad Deshatarine. Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shivasati Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. स्वचिरादेव राजर्षे स्यादच्युता कथाशयः शनवतः श्रद्धानस्य नित्यतया स्याद् अधीयतः. Oh, best of the kings, one who is faithful, is always hearing the glories of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, is always engaged in culture of Krishna consciousness, hearing of the Lord's activities, very soon become eligible to see the Supreme Personality of Godhead face to face. Seeing Krishna face to face. Anyway. So the verse previously which was quoted here, in this verse we have the word called Nityada. Nityada means constant, uninterrupted. So that is a sign of a liberated personality. Now how do you know somebody is liberated? बाहर से तो कैसा बदलता है? मुक्त पुरुष है, सभी लोग मुक्त है. मायावादी विमुक्त मानिनः, सभी लोग सोचते हैं मैं हो गया मेरा परफेक्शन. वेरी सिंपल, वेरी वेरी सिंपल. अंदर क्या हो रहा है तो मालूम नहीं है. ही इज कॉन्स्टेंटली एंगेज, मुक्त हो गया है ना. लिबरेटेड मीन्स ही डजंट टच द वेव्स ऑफ माया. जैसे आप हवा में उड़ रहे हो एंड द वाटर इज ऑल रजोगुणा तमोगुणा सत्वगुणा, है ना. वो गीला होता ही नहीं, ऊपर ही रहता है ना. टच किया मतलब इंटरप्शन हो गया. माया का सेवा शुरू हो गया. रजोगुण तमोगुण सत्वगुण में माया उसको घसीटना शुरू कर देगा. So if somebody is liberated means the first symptom of a liberated person is constant engagement. He is restless. No service now, no service now. कैसे भाई? So constant engagement. There is one beautiful shloka. Savai Pumsa. Who knows the shloka?
सवै पुंसा परो धर्मो यथा भक्तिरतोक्तये अहैतुकी अप्रतिहता ययात्मा सुप्रसीदति.
Beautiful. Thank you, Mataji. Anybody else?
सवै पुंसा
परो धर्मो यदो भक्ति अदोक्षये अहेतुकी अप्रतिहता ययात्मा सुप्रसीदति.
Very good, very good. ठीक है? So the nature that is said, that is paro dharma. That means if the bhakti has ruptured in your heart, कैसे मालूम है? ये भक्ति खुल गई मेरी, हो गया मैं महान भक्त, सीनियर डिवोटी अभी हूँ, मैं सीनियर डिवोटी है. कैसे पता भाई? अहेतुकी, विदाउट एनी कॉज, बिना किसी कारण से, अप्रतिहता, विदाउट एनी ब्रेक, अनइंटरप्टेड डिवोशन सर्विस करने का दिल में इच्छा आ जाता है. That means we know अभी भक्ति लता बीज has sprouted in his heart. And that is the symptom of somebody who has tasted bhakti. भाई आपको मुंह में टेस्ट लग रहा है भक्ति का, तो आप तो सेवा ही करोगे ना, है ना. अनइंटरप्टेड. जैसे ही इंटरप्ट हुआ, सावधानी हटी, दुर्घटना घटी. जैसे इंटरप्शन हुआ, खत्म. एनी एग्जाम्पल? इंटरप्शन हुआ, खत्म. Ajamila was very nicely doing devotional service, everything, but he forgot it is apratihata. He forgot that. अरे यार, wait. अभी तो खत्म तो करना था, उसको तो डिस्कस करना था. So he is saying in the forest, he forgot he has to collect flowers and you should be chanting. Not that time for services Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. You should be collecting flowers. Shri Shri Radha Govinda ki jai. So you should be doing only that. But he thought, no, थोड़ा टाइम एक ब्रेक ले सकता है ना, थोड़ा सा ब्रेक चलेगा. ये क्या हो रहा है? ये तो ये प्रोस्टिट्यूट और ये सब क्या, कुछ नहीं, 1 मिनट, कुछ होगा नहीं, मेरे कुछ नहीं होगा. सावधानी हटी, दुर्घटना घटी, and is finished. Okay, any other example?
विश्वामित्र.
But one by one. Bharat Maharaj is also come for devotional service, and he closed his eyes when he came to the forest. Tears of love of Krishna is gliding from his eyes. Read those situations, because Savdhani Ati Durgatna Gati. And then he saw, oh dear, arre yaar, I have come here to do some social service. Why you left your house? We should not remember why you left your house to do social service. No, he forgot. So थोड़ा टाइम करे बस. सावधानी हटी, दुर्घटना घटी. Yeah, what is the other one?
Vishwamitra. Saubhari Mani.
Wait. Vishwamitra, let us analyze. What happened to Vishwamitra? Yes, explain.
Yes, Vishwamitra got disrupted by Menka. So whatever devotional service he was carrying out got disrupted, and immediately he had fallen back. That is
तो सावधानी हटी, दुर्घटना घटी। था ये बड़ी अच्छी आवाज आ रही है, टिंकलिंग बॉल्स की, कोई सुंदर लड़की है सामने, जरा देखूं तो फिनिश्ड। मतलब माया पीछे खड़ी रहती है, एक्सक्यूज मी, और आप पीछे मुंह के बस पर उठा के ले जाते हैं, हाँ जाओ जाओ जाओ, चलो एक सेकेंड काफी है नष्ट करने के लिए। यस, हु इज अदर एग्जांपल यू हैड?
Saubhari Muni.
Saubhari, what happened to Saubhari Muni?
Saubhari Muni was meditating underwater in Yamuna river. He saw a pair of fish meeting. Then he immediately arose with all material desire. He got out of the water. He converted himself as a beautiful youthful person to marry all the princes of the particular king. And later he realized that all this is
He got lost or not? Little mistake, spiritual life was lost, limited later. भाई क्यों भाई लिमिट करने का? Why you make a mistake and then limit? Mistake क्यों करने का? So why these examples are kept in Bhagavatam? Do you think Bhagavatam is interested in all this kind of thing? Bhagavatam is a Shuddha, completely Amala Purana. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says Amala, इसमें मैल है ही नहीं. Why it is discussing Ajamila? Why it is discussing all Saubhari Muni? Why is it discussing? So that we can learn from that. भाई हम भी ऐसे गलती करके पछताएंगे क्या? हाथ जलाने का फिर से? It can understand. नहीं करने का ये सब. Uninterrupted devotional service. Yes. So no other examples now? Finished? Yes, Vipin Vilas Prabhu ji, आप भी कुछ example लेके आए थे?
हरे कृष्णा प्रभु जी। एक्चुअली हरिदास ठाकुर उससे उल्टा, he was not disturbed with the prostitute presence, so he can survive.
हरिदास ठाकुर ने सोचा एक मिनट देख लो, बहुत सुंदर लग रही है, ये तो माया देवी खुद आई लग रहा है और खुद प्रपोज कर रही है, एक मिनट कुछ नहीं होगा, मेरे को थोड़ा एंजॉय कर लेता हूँ, एक घंटा आई थिंक, फिर झपा है ना मेरा, जो कर लेगा मैं फास्ट, मैं आई विल बिकम प्यूरिफाइड, डोंट वरी। हरे कृष्णा हरे कृष्णा हरे कृष्णा हरे कृष्णा हरे कृष्णा हरे कृष्णा, हो जाएगा मैं प्यूरिफाइड। कृष्णा इज वेरी मर्सीफुल, चैतन्य महाप्रभु इज वेरी मर्सीफुल, नो प्रॉब्लम, है ना? कह रहे व्हाट कैन आई डू, आई एम हेल्पलेस, कृष्णा यू कैन फॉरगिव मी प्लीज, यू आर वेरी मर्सीफुल। थोड़ा चलेगा, थोड़ा। See, the very problem is that we think there is moderation and abstinence. Moderation philosophy is taken by somebody who is weak-minded and he wants to justify his sinful activities. तो थोड़ा चलेगा, ज्यादा नहीं, थोड़ा कुछ सब्जी में भी थोड़ा नमक चाहिए, थोड़ा सा, ज्यादा नहीं ना। Abstinence, they don't plan. They plan moderation. But somebody is strongly willed, like Bhishma, no means no. Amba came, you can marry me. I said no. No means no. Ho gaya. There is no question. And Bhishma says that in his description to Yudhishthira Maharaj, that actually somebody can be free from material desires just by determination. Yes, no. And actually your mind becomes very calm. The moment moderation starts, that is where the problem starts. Just say no. No means no. And then you see what a life starts after that. Okay, what a beautiful. Now in the spiritual world, in Nitya Utsava, again and again, I was just reading, it explains how Varadev, when after he killed Hiranyaksha, went back to the spiritual world, and the spiritual world is explained as a Nitya Utsava. It's constantly festival is going on. हम तो कभी कभी फेस्टिवल होता है ना, चलो भाई, वहां तो constant festival, every moment there is a festival. कृष्णा अभी बोट यात्रा हुआ, फिर देन कृष्णा इज इन अनदर थिंग, देयर इज, यहाँ फेस्टिवल थोड़ा 2-3 घंटे के लिए होता है, फिर जाके हम लोग खा पी के सो जाते हैं, है ना? उधर शरीर थकता ही नहीं है। भक्तों का भी शरीर स्पिरिचुअल होता है, फुल ऑफ एनर्जी, दे आर ऑल्सो फुल ऑफ एनर्जी, एंड कृष्णा इज ऑल्सो रेसिप्रोकेटिंग विद डिवोटीज। वो कुछ 24 घंटे फेस्टिवल चलता रहता है। एक पता है फेस्टिवल क्या, कृष्णा बाहर आ रहे हैं, ओ रे, continuously the Gopas are having Nitya Utsava. 24 hours they are on samadhi on Krishna. In fact, night is artificially created in spiritual world, and whole night they are feeling intense separation and they can't hold on. और भागे भागे आते हैं, चलो 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 ना, लेट क्यों हो रहे हो? And then Mother Ishwara is decorating, मेरे को भी दो फटाफट, they dress him and they drag him away. And नित्य उत्सवा, इसने तो यार बोर हो गया अभी, कल नहीं जाएंगे खेलने, है ना? होता ना हमारा, फिर बहुत दिन हो गया अभी, कुछ दिन हम रेस्ट करेंगे. नहीं, नित्य उत्सव, uninterrupted, and energy is increasing every moment. Enthusiasm is increasing every moment. That is, and the Prabhupada says, how do you know we are doing devotional service materially or spiritually? Materially means you get exhausted. Spiritually means when we, this is theory, practically when we come to the spiritual platform, there is constant devotional service. Interruption means Maya. Interruption means, है ना? चलो यार, थोड़ा time. Just like we are not that extreme case, like Prabhupada talks about that some people are there and they wear a normal dress. आपने भी देखा होगा near your house. सुबह 10 बजे वो साफरन कपड़े पहन लेते हैं, बाकी तब पैंट शर्ट पूरा कर्मी स्टाइल. ये 10 बजे पैंट शर्ट पहन लेते हैं, थोड़ा माला भी लगाते हैं बहुत, और तिलक भी बहुत स्ट्रांग लगाते हैं, है ना? फिर वो दक्षिणा के लिए निकल जाते हैं, उनका पूरा दिन वही है ना? कुछ और फिर शाम को आके सेम एवरीथिंग इन नॉर्मल मटेरियल लाइफ इन द इवनिंग. एंड फॉर दैट स्मॉल टाइम when they are exposed to public, that time they are great devotees. Other time they are in material life. No, not that अभी भागवतम क्लास बोल रहे हैं, चलो बड़ा बड़ा चीज बोल दिया, उसके बाद start sense gratification. This kind of interrupted devotional service will not. It says if you can offer uninterrupted devotional service, you will see Krishna very soon. देखना है ना कृष्णा को, uninterrupted devotional service चाहिए. Kesham satata yuktanam. What does that mean? Satata means constantly, है ना? Bhajatam priti purvakam tadami buddhi yogam tam. Only to those people Krishna gives the intelligence. Yen mam upayanti te. He did there. What is the other shloka Bhagavad Gita? Yoga maya samavritaha mahatmanastu mam partha. चलो भाई. हाँ,
महात्मानस्तु मां पार्थ, सॉरी प्रभु.
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी. नाहं प्रकाश सर्वस्य योगमाया समावृत मूढोऽयं नाभिजानाति लोको मामजमव्ययम्.
very good, very good. But I was asking some other shloka. हाँ, महात्मनस्तु मां पार्थ देवीं.
महात्मनस्तु मां पार्थ दैवीं प्रकृतिमाश्रितः भजन्ति अनन्यमनसो मत्वा भूतादिमव्ययम्.
Yeah, anybody else know this shloka?
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी. महात्मनास्तु मां पार्थ दैवीं प्रकृतिमाश्रितः भजन्ति अनन्यमनसो ज्ञात्वा भूतादिमव्ययम्. हरे कृष्ण.
Very good. Mahatmanastu mam partha devim prakritam. He is a spiritual energy. And how do you say we are all in spiritual energy? We are not. I am not material conscious. I have become a bhakta. Bhakta means you are not in material energy. You are in spiritual energy. You are claiming I am bhakta. But what is the symptom of bhakta? Bhajanti ananya manaso. He is constantly offering devotional service to Krishna. In Bhagavad Gita, in the chapter of 3 modes of material nature, when Arjuna asked Krishna, how is it that somebody can overcome Maya? What does Krishna say?
Through practice.
Yeah, no, what is the shloka? He says, constant service you can overcome Maya. What is the shloka?
सततं कीर्तयन्तो मां यतं तस्य दृढव्रता.
No. Arey Baba, chapter on 3 modes.
हरे कृष्णा प्रभु जी. यो मां च यो व्यभिचारेण भक्ति योगेन सेवते सगुणान् समतीत्यान ब्रह्म भूयाय कल्पते. हरे.
Yes, anybody else know this shloka?
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Mam Go ahead.
Chalo, start.
व्यभिचारेण भक्ति योगेन सेवते सगुणान् समतीत्येतान् ब्रह्म भूयाय कल्पते.
Very good, very good. Because little interruption is there, Maya will capture you. So avyavicharena, it is for my own good. That not without any break, I continuously engage in devotional service. It's on my own good. Therefore, very good advice given by devotees, always you should have a challenge in a day. What should I have? Just like in normal karmi style, challenge yourself. We had, some people created Gaur Purnima challenge, this challenge, trying to do something that we are actually not used to doing. We can do that actually challenge. We could have done for New Year also, challenge them, then whole year they continue that. So challenge means you are challenging yourself, something which you are not used to do. Just like श्लोक आ रहा है मेरे को at least 50 अच्छे श्लोक याद करने हैं. चैलेंज करो, नहीं तो पूरी जिंदगी निकल जाएगी, कोई श्लोक ही याद नहीं, जिंदगी निकल जाएगी, पूरा दिन पड़ा सो रहे हैं, श्लोक याद करो. मामच अव्यविचारेण, विदाउट एनी डिस्ट्रैक्शन, अव्यविचारेण भक्ति योगेन. यू सी व्हाट इज द प्रॉफिट. आज का दिल निकल गया, क्या प्रॉफिट हुआ? कुछ किया नहीं, कुछ नहीं किया, सो गए. अव्यविचारेण bhakti yogena sevate saguna samati ityatyan. When somebody is constantly engaged in devotional service, the benefit really saguna samati ityatyan. He crosses the three modes of material nature, brahma bhuya kalpate, and he achieves brahma bhuta situation, spiritual platform. There is one beautiful shloka in Srimad Bhagavatam which says that somebody who is constantly hearing about the Lord, for him, if the sun will not take away his life. Very beautiful shloka. Anybody knows this shloka?
Ayur Arati.
Yeah, beautiful. Yeah. Look at the shloka.
Ayur Harati.
Yeah, continue, Sarita Mataji.
Hare Krishna Prabhu. आयुर्हरति यं पुंसाम् उदयनस्तयस्तसौ तस्यार्थे यत्क्षणो नीत्वा उत्तमश्लोकवर्तय.
Beautiful. Anybody else want to chant? Sing it nicely, no? अभी तो ऐसा हो रहा है, आधा आधा याद है. हाँ.
आयुर्हरति वै पुंसाम् उद्यान अस्तं च यन्नसौ तस्यार्थे यत्क्षणो नीत्वा उत्तम श्लोकवार्तया.
Very good. So, yeah.
आयुर्हरति वै पुंसान् उद्यनस्तं च यन्नसौ तस्यैर्ते यत्क्षणो नीत उत्तमश्लोकवार्तया.
Uttama Shloka Vartaya, somebody is constantly engaged in hearing about Uttama Shloka. The sun every day, when it rises and sets, takes away one day of your life. Correct? Ek aur din gaya. And actually, somebody who is spiritually serious will say, जैसे exam आने वाला है. Correct? Recently we had such a big personality in Mangalore. Practically the richest person also, most respected person. What happened? Some massive heart attack and छुट्टी. Now every day, if you are thinking आपके साथ भी होने वाला है, आज नहीं तो कल होगा ही, death आ रहा है. So every day, Prabhupada says, one day we are gone near to the death. Suppose आपका एग्जाम है, ठीक है, कोई बोलता है 6 घंटे बचे, टेंशन हो जाता है ना, पसीना आने लगता है, 4 घंटे बचे, 1 घंटा बचा, नींद नहीं आता है. और हम लोग तो उल्टा चल रहे हैं. The birthday, in one sense, birthday is reverse actually. Instead of celebrating, it's a time of tension. 1 साल गया, हमको कितने साल मिले थे पता नहीं, 40, 50, 60, 70, अनलिमिटेड नहीं है. ये साइंटिस्ट लोग के भरोसे में नहीं रहो. अनलिमिटेड नहीं है, मरोगे, पक्का मरोगे. हाँ, तो कुछ टाइम बचा है अपने पास. बहुत लोग ट्राई किए, प्रभुपाद laughs, many people tried, हिरण्यकशिपु also tried, ये भी ट्राई कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, such leaders and such fools. I heard that when Putin was meeting this G, what is the name? China's person, G. Yeah. So he was the discussion. The discussion was that he said, "How you are at 70 years so good, healthy?" He said, "No, now we have medical science. We can stay till 150, 200 years." Like that they were talking. So they are giving an illusion to the society. We will do something. And that another Musk, he was also telling Now I'll make such robots, I'll transfer your conscience to the robot. Then you can live forever. And people get the illusion, because we want to live forever. And the Krishna's design of death is actually to help you to become serious about your life. So somehow they take away that seriousness. And then that's it. एस्ट्रोलॉजर्स को भी जाके सुन लेते हैं, कितना है भी टाइम, 20 साल, अरे 20 साल है, खुश रहे तो बाद में देखेंगे, जब अब करना बाद में बहुत टाइम है, उसका टेंशन निकल जाता है. तो पीपल ट्राई ऑल दिस काइंड ऑफ ट्रिक्स बट डू नॉट डू दैट. प्रॉपर सेज टू बी स्पिरिचुअल यू शुड अंडरस्टैंड डेथ इज वेटिंग आउटसाइड द डोर. होता ना कभी रूम में बैठे रहते कोई वेट कर रहा होता है, सीधे आएगा हरे कृष्णा खत्म. मृत्यु पुरुषा इज वेटिंग टू एम्ब्रेस यू, वेटिंग. Then you will become very serious. अभी I can go. Then you will become serious. but क्या है यार, बॉडी को भी इतना क्या प्राउड ऑफ द बॉडी, क्या है, कुछ ग्लैंड है, एक हार्ट है, सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम वाला चीज. 50% लोग हार्ट अटैक से ही मरते हैं, सडनली रुक जाता है. क्या करोगे, कुछ फंस गया, फूट गया, क्या काट पीट करते हैं, कोई बचता है नहीं, कोई नहीं बचता है ना. ऊपर से ऊपर क्या है बॉडी, जस्ट इमेजिन कुछ सम ग्लैंड्स आर देयर विद समथिंग. Because of consciousness we are away from that, but actually the reality is body nothing more than that ना. और थोड़ा भी कोई पाइप कोई ट्यूब में थोड़ा कुछ कटकुट हो गया है, ऐसा दर्द होता है कि मर जाओगे, इतना दर्द होता है ना. अनबियरेबल पेन होता है बॉडी में, लंग में, ये सब जब सड़ते हैं फटते हैं, टूटते हैं, बहुत दर्द करते हैं. अनबियरेबल पेन दे कॉज. वी आर मेटेरियल एग्जिस्टेंस मीन्स सम स्मृति इज terrible existence, so much painful existence it is. And 2 days we are sometime now, at least look at this situation, we are all sitting and hearing. Actually this अभी हरियाली है, घास काटो फटाफट. कहीं पे दर्द होगा फिर क्या करोगे? What you will do? They had one student who got pancreatitis and he died finally. Pancreatitis, some funny thing. He could not understand why. He was not drinking, but he started, one organ collapsed. स्मॉल ऑर्गन, पेनक्रियास है ना, गॉल ब्लैडर स्टोन होता है, वो तो बच जाते हो, लेकिन कुछ चीजें ऐसा आप लेके जाएंगे तुमको साथ. अनबियरेबल पेन, आइदर हार्ट और द ब्रेन और द किडनी और द लिवर, एक चीज गया, अब भी गए, लंग कुछ गया. सो अनबियरेबल इट इज, सो अनबियरेबल. करेक्ट. वी डू नॉट नो एनी मूवमेंट, लाइफ विल हैव एनी मूवमेंट. आजकल इवन दो दीज वर नॉट एनफ, वी हैव क्रिएटेड उग्र कर्मा. कार में जा रहे हैं, धड़, एक एक्सीडेंट, खत्म. कुछ भी हो सकता है ना, किसी समय भी हो सकता है. इट्स ओनली ए मैटर ऑफ, सो वी शुड बी कन्विंस्ड ऑफ दैट एनी मोमेंट डेथ विल कम. व्हेन यू आर कन्विंस्ड लाइक दैट यू विल बिकम वेरी सीरियस एंड स्पिरिचुअल. जस्ट लाइक सपोज पढ़ रहे हैं और टीचर कभी क्विज ले लेता है, यार बड़ा डेंजरस है ये तो कॉलेज में हमेशा डेली पढ़ना पड़ेगा, नित्यता. So if you are nityata, if you are constantly hearing about Krishna consciousness, then there is hope. Where is the shloka we said we should hear constantly?
सततम कीर्तयन्तो माम.
नहीं, there is Bhagavatam में जो है ना,
सुनवता स्वकथा कृष्णा पुण्य श्रवण कीर्तना हृदयस्तु भद्राणि पुनोति सुरस्थिता.
Shanotam Sakada Krishna. No, Nitya, where it comes, Nitya, constantly. We are constantly, regularly hearing. It's very important. Okay. Yes. Comes again, Nityam.
Bhadreshu Nityam Bhagavata Sevaya Bhagavati Uttama Shloke Bhaktir Bhavati Nishtaki.
Okay, so we can see that when the regularly means constantly. Kirtanaya Sada Harihi. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says always keep chanting. So now, so all of you are ready now? Everybody is ready? Constant devotional service? Ready हैं? अभी तो ठीक है, 2 मिनट के लिए चलेगा, फिर गड़बड़ शुरू. ठीक है? So that is what we need to attract Krishna's attention with enthusiasm. Constant devotional service. Correct? And then you may say that, okay, what to do, but I have to make my livelihood. Then, what is the formula? After that, Yat karoshi yajhoshi. Yes.
Yat karoshi yajhoshi yajhoshi
यत्करोषि
यद्दश्नासि
यद्दश्नासि
यज्जुहोषि
यद्जुहोषि
ददासि
यत्तपस्यसि
यत्तपस्यसि
कौन्तेय
कौन्तेय तत्कुरुष्व मदर्पणम्
अरे वन एट अ टाइम ना, एक भी सुनाई नहीं दे रहा इस तरह. हाँ,
यत्करोषि यत्स्यासि यज्जुहोषि ददासि
तपस्यस्य कौन्तेय तत्करो मदर्पणम्.
ठीक है, वेरी नाइस, थैंक यू. सो everything has to be constantly engaged. That's a mark of a devotee. Devotee means constant engagement. That means bhakti has touched his heart. Otherwise, कभी भक्ति में है, कभी माया में है, कभी भक्ति में है, कभी माया में है, कभी माया में है, कभी माया में, फिर कभी भक्ति में है. And that just like the gopis were thinking, if I can forget Krishna, I can do my household work. Or हमारा reverse condition, we are thinking, if I can remember Krishna for some moments at least. So, therefore, do not play with Maya, do not take a chance. We got an opportunity. Krishna consciousness is the eternal fact, it's the eternal truth. And if something is the eternal truth, then it should be truth 24 hours. Prabhupada quotes in the purport, very nice, this shloka. Bhakti hitva anyata rupam sarupena vivasitihi. What is the meaning of bhakti? Bhakti means to come to Swarupa. And then what is Swarupa? Jiva Swarup hoye Krishna nitya dasa. The real Swarupa of the living entity is the servant of Krishna. Now if this is the fact, when Sanatana Goswami asked Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Keyami, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, Jiva Swarup hoye Krishna nitya dasa. You are an eternal servant of Krishna. Now if this is established in the heart, established matlab, it's a fact. I should live on this truth for 24 hours. दास का मतलब क्या है? सेवक है. अब ये नहीं, sometime I am Mayadas, sometime I am Krishnadas, है ना? Sometime I am Godas, sometime I am Goswami. नहीं. So आप रहो Krishnadas या Mayadas. You want to become, you know I am Krishnadas. Jiva is, so if this is convinced, then actually the spiritual life will become firm and then it will keep growing. Otherwise what happens, we do some chanting, the heart becomes purified, then all through the day we are not engaged in devotional service, mind becomes disturbed. The next day chanting becomes very difficult then. As we are discussing, there are so many discussions on this matter. Shravana Dasha, the beginning of spiritual life is you start, try to hear about Krishna. Shravana Dasha. These are all variously described. And then Varana Dasha. These are all technical words. खाली दिमाग हिलाने के लिए, but दिमाग हिलाना है ये ला लो. श्रवण दशा मतलब सुनते रहेंगे. At least just try. It's a sadhana. अभी टेस्ट नहीं आया. मैं पढ़ूंगा, दिन में 1 घंटा पढ़ूंगा भागवतम, पढ़ूंगा. So Shravana Dasha, you are reading every day, at least 1 hour you are doing, and you are chanting your rounds. Shravana Dasha. Then Varana Dasha, next stage, start accepting, mind start accepting. अभी उतना challenge नहीं होता पढ़ने में. जब कहने आ रहे हैं, जब बंद करो, कहीं से बोलते नहीं है, बाहर थप्पड़ पड़ेगा. बोलते यार खत्म कैसे खत्म हो यार, मन नहीं कर रहा बिल्कुल. ठीक है, that is Shravana Dasha. But you are accepting on the order of Prabhupada. चलो मैं सुनता रहूँगा. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. इसलिए it is good to in Brahma Muhurta to finish it together the japa. आगे impossible हो जाता है ना? And always good जपा थोड़ा visible होना चाहिए. लोग देखें सब लोग को. कैसे मालूम? लोग को doubt आता है. सबसे बड़ा insult ये है कि कोई बोले जप नहीं करता. सबसे बड़ा insult है ना? ये जप नहीं करता है, यार कुछ करता है 5-6 माला. तो इसलिए हमेशा विजिबल होना चाहिए, किसी को डाउट नहीं आएगा, है ना? हाँ, बैठा था मेरे साथ 1.5-2 घंटा जब कर रहा था, हो गया होगा उसको. तो दैट इज श्रवण दशा. कर रहे हैं एंड विजिबली करना बेटर रहता है. देन नेक्स्ट ना ऑनलाइन है, सो देयरफॉर वी गिविंग एन अपॉर्चुनिटी, यू डू विजिबली, एंड इन केस यू मिस आउट वी कैन हैव वन सप्लीमेंट्री आल्सो जपा सम टाइम. Some people can have, we can give a platform, they can sit and chant together. ठीक है, जो मिस कर जाते morning. At least try by lunch your japa should be over. Don't keep japa for evening. It becomes very difficult to do it in the night. Okay. Shravana Dasha. Then next is Varana Dasha. ये सब technical words है. You want to waste time and remember, you remember. Otherwise not big deal. Varana Dasha means, accepting now. Varana. Chatur Varna Maya Shishtam. Varana comes in so many places. Your heart becomes now colored by japa. एक्सेप्टिंग। हरे कृष्णा। अच्छा, अच्छा है, अभी अच्छा लग रहा है ना। एंड देन नेक्स्ट स्टेज कम्स स्मरण दशा, एक और है। Prabhupada only talks about 3, Acharyas talked about more, but this Prabhupada, there is no need to talk about that. They are talking about now coming to the situation more advanced. The Smarana is understanding your, eternal relation to Krishna, in that relation doing service to Krishna. That वो भी छोड़ो, वो सब बहुत बहुत एडवांस्ड है। श्रवण दशा में ही मरे हुए हम लोग, उसका वर्ण आ गया, वही बहुत है। जपा करते समय आनंद आता है। ये नहीं यार जपा खत्म नहीं हो तो अच्छा है, थोड़ा और जपा कर सकते हैं। जब ये दिन आ जाएगा तो आपको नेक्स्ट आ जाओगे वर्ण दशा में। अच्छा लग रहा है, हरे कृष्णा हरे कृष्णा, बहुत अच्छा है ना। हाँ बहुत अच्छा, हरे कृष्णा हरे कृष्णा, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, मजा आ रहा है, हरे कृष्णा हरे कृष्णा। वो आ गया वर्ण दशा, ठीक है। द नेक्स्ट इज स्मरण दशा। नाउ यू आर कॉन्स्टेंटली एबल टू थिंक अबाउट कृष्ण, करेक्ट। यू आर एंजॉयिंग टू सच अ सिचुएशन, स्मरण दशा, ठीक है। सो किस दशा में है अभी? तो श्रवण दशा ही चल रहा है। जपा करते रहो अभी, है वंदे कृष्ण विल बी मर्सीफुल, थोड़ा टेस्ट आना शुरू होगा, फिर मजा आएगा। फिर देन यूली कि जपा कर रहे हैं यार, अच्छा लग रहा है बहुत। अभी तो क्या है, दैट टेस्ट थोड़ा मिस करते हैं। इसलिए जब मैं कॉलेज में जाता हूँ कभी कभी बोलता हूँ सर क्लास लूंगा क्या, तो ना भी बोल नहीं सकते, हाँ भी बोल नहीं सकते। हाँ बोलेंगे तो मन नहीं करता यार, क्या है स्वामी जी को कुछ काम नहीं है, पीछे पड़ रहे हैं वहाँ से। और ना बोलने में भी अच्छा नहीं लगता यार, हमारा हिंदू धर्म को प्रमोट करने का। तो ना बोलते ना हाँ, तो ऐसा चल रहा है। हमारा भी भक्ति ऐसा चल रहा है, ना भी नहीं बोल सकते यार, तो करेक्ट चीज़ है। हाँ भी नहीं बोल सकते, मन नहीं लग रहा। तो श्रवण दशा से अपलिफ्ट होके आ जाओ वर्ण दशा में, इन विच यू एक्सेप्ट। या अच्छा है, वेरी गुड वेरी गुड, अच्छा लग रहा है। जब कनिष्ठ अधिकारी से मध्यम अधिकारी में आ जाओ, तो नेक्स्ट सिचुएशन इज दैट यू आर कॉन्स्टेंटली देन एबल टू थिंक अबाउट द लॉर्ड, स्मरण दशा। सो एनीवे द डिफरेंट स्टेजेस विल बी देयर। वी से होली नेम ऑल्सो। हमारा अभी नाम अपराधा स्टेज में ही जप होता है ना। कल हम डिस्कस कर रहे थे ना, जब प्रभुपाद के टाइम में कीर्तन होते थे, वी हैव सो मेनी स्टोरीज। लोग कहीं अपार्टमेंट के नीचे एक सिक्योरिटी गार्ड था, तो उसका बॉस उसको हर समय डांटता था, बिकॉज उस समय वो बाहर खड़ा होकर कीर्तन सुनते रहता था। इमेजिन इज अ फॉरेनर, ही इज लिसनिंग। So one day the boss became very angry, shouted at him, आज तुम नहीं जाना, काम करना तुम्हारा काम है, सिक्योरिटी गार्ड हो, क्या बात खड़े हो जाते। वो फिर आए कीर्तन, इतना सुंदर लगा, भाग गया, जॉब ही छोड़ के भाग गया। ऐसा नहीं होता अभी, क्योंकि तो अभी कीर्तन हैज बिकम एंटरटेनमेंट, आई हैव बीन ट्राइंग ऑन माय पार्ट। एक मतलब ऑर्केस्ट्रा की तरह बन गया। I don't want to go more, but it is nicely get irritated. Just like भोगा प्रसाद में फर्क होता है, कीर्तन म्यूजिक में भी फर्क होता है। But कीर्तन means we are trying to please the Lord, not entertain the audience. But anyway, it's not black and white, but more gone. The Kirtan has lost potency now. It has become an entertainment, music show, music festival. And then what is the effect? We see, no, by result we see. By result we see. We cannot make devotees. So therefore, we have to, from Namaparada came to Namabhasa stage. Namabhasa situation, at least Abhasa is there, some faint. Even that is very great. Even that is very great. Namabhasa is also very great. At least some mercy is coming. His papa karma will be washed away. Like Ajamila chanted, Narayana, save me. Some benefit is there, definitely. But Shuddha Nama he had to practice to chant. He didn't go to spiritual world. Various analysis there. One of the analysis, they didn't go to the spiritual world just because he chanted Narayana save me. Because that was not Shuddha Nama. That was Nama, definitely Nama Bhasa. Nama Parada nahi tha. Ye nahi soch raha tha, I am chanting to counteract what sinful activity that I have done. Then it will become Nama Parada. है ना, ये थोड़ी सोचा था मैंने इतना पाप किया अभी धोता हूँ मैं अभी इसको. नहीं, उसने ऐसा प्लान नहीं किया था कि मैं पाप किया है मतलब जब करके क्लीन करूँगा. ऐसा नहीं प्लान, ऐसा कोई प्लान नहीं था उसका. थोड़ा पाप कर लेता हूँ, मरते समय जोर का नारायण बोल लोगे, ऐसा कोई प्लान नहीं था उसका, है ना. गिर गया था, गड़बड़ हो गया था, वो ही चैंटेड. सो नामा भाषा, आभाषा, he got purified. When the Yamuduta asked, what happened? Why you are not allowing us to take? He said, from birth, not only this birth, even previous birth का पाप धुल गया उसका नारायण, एक नारायण चैंट करने से. प्रीवियस बर्थ का भी पाप धुल गया। सोचो कितना ध्यान से जप करने का। गलती से एक तो अच्छी नामाभास हो जाएगा, शुद्ध नाम तो छोड़ो, नाम अपराधी हो रहा है ना। तो वन चैंटिंग इज एनफ टू वॉश ऑल द सेंस ऑफ इवन प्रीवियस लाइफ। वो यमदूत तो इस लाइफ का लिस्ट दे रहे थे, ये किया वो किया ये किया वो किया ये किया, बोला ये नहीं, ये तो पहाड़ नहीं, पिछले भी कितने पहाड़ थे सब धुल सब नष्ट हो गए just by one chanting of Narayana. But then Namabhasa is so wonderful. If I come to Shuddha Nama, imagine how beautiful it is. How wonderful it is. When Chand Kazi chanted the name of, he said, my servants go sometime and they see these people chanting Hari Hari and Krishna name, and when Chaitanya Prabhu heard him, from his mouth the name of the Lord came, Chaitanya Prabhu became very ecstatic. Chaitanya Prabhu says, so what is Kanishthadhikari? Even once from his mouth name of Krishna comes, he is Kanishthadhikari. Wow, what a definition it is. And hum to aisa nahi sochte. We are not so, we don't think that chanting the name is so special. Chalta hai, jab kara. Nahi. Therefore, we should, whenever we see somebody, make him chant. We have forgotten the value. Make him chant. The philosophy sab aa jayega. Vasudeva Bhagavati, the same shloka is quoted in another way. Correct? You saw that? 37 shloka. Vasudeva Bhagavati, Prabhupada quotes this also in the purport. Vasudeva Bhagavati Bhakti Yoga Prayojitaha. Moment you start chanting the holy name of the Lord, what will happen? Janeti Asu Vairagyam. Usko dunya se detachment shuru ho jayega. Jnanam cha tahetukam. And spiritual attraction to Krishna will awaken within his heart. Jnana Vairagya will immediately start awakening within the heart, moment even once chant the name of the Lord. So therefore spiritual life means make people chant. Rest will automatically follow. Rest will automatically follow. Correct? Even in Diksha, what is the main criteria? Is chanting 16 now. So that is the best thing. So make people chant. Somehow or another, don't lose the value of chanting. Sometimes what happens, we have so many levels, so many teachings, सब स्कॉलर बोर्ड बन गया बड़ा, है ना। ये भी हो गया प्रभु जी मैं लेवल 4 में हूँ, मैं लेवल 6 में हूँ, ये सब चल रहा है. बट ऑलवेज रिमेंबर द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इज chanting. The most important. Prabhupada used to say, among all the instructions I have given, the most important instruction I have given is to chant the 16 rounds. Okay? So take it very seriously and make everybody chant. Okay? Anybody you know, chant. Once, at least once, एक बारी जप कर लो ना. Hare Krishna. Good, good. Therefore, it is good, Prabhupada says, even if somebody is mockingly, sometimes, yeah, Hare Krishna लो आगे फिर से. उसके मुंह से हरे कृष्णा निकल गया. दैट फेमस इंस्टेंस, वंस ए न्यूज़पेपर इन अमेरिका, कुछ इस्कॉन के अगेंस्ट बड़ा गंदा आर्टिकल आ गया. बेवकूफ लोग हैं, ब्रेन वॉश करते हैं, पागल हैं, ये देख बड़ा आर्टिकल लिख दिया. सो दे केम टू प्रभुपाद, इसको तो क्या करें, इस आदमी का ये कर दिया, हमारा बदनाम कर दिया हमको, ये सब. तो प्रभुपाद सेड, ओके, हाउ अबाउट द पब्लिक, इसमें कितनी बारी उसने कृष्णा है इस आर्टिकल में? प्रभुपाद कृष्णा है 20 बारी. इस न्यूज़पेपर का कितना डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन है? प्रभुपाद 30 मिलियन. 30 मिलियन इंटू 20 कितना हो गया? 600 मिलियन. 600 मिलियन टाइम भगवान का नाम जप हो गया. वेरी ऑस्पिशियस. वेरी ऑस्पिशियस. But we don't know the value. We think, chala Krishna now is very, very powerful. Even once somebody chant the name of Krishna. But now understanding that greatness, we should become very enthusiastic to make everybody chant and ourselves take the full benefit. अरे भाई कोई फायदे का चीज है, उसको क्या एक बारी जप करके छोड़ना है? Why chant offensively? Why not do what is the class today? Uninterrupted devotion service. Nityada, constant devotion service, that will attract Krishna's mercy. Okay? And then Kataksha, even little mercy of Krishna comes, we will be benefited. Okay, Hare Krishna everybody, Hare Krishna.
हरे कृष्णा प्रभु जी.
थैंक यू प्रभु
जी. हरे कृष्णा प्रभु जी. दंडवत प्रणाम प्रभु जी.
थैंक यू प्रभु जी.
चलो हरे कृष्णा मंत्र जप करो. हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण हरे
Rama
Hare Rama
Hare Rama Hare Krishna
Rama Rama Hare
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 Rama Hare Rama
Hare
Rama
Rama
Hare Hare
Krishna Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare
Rama Rama Hare
Hare
Rama
Krishna Hare
Hare Krishna Hare Hare
Hare Hare
Rama Hare Hare Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna Hare Krishna Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna Hare Krishna Krishna Hare Hare Rama